Welcome to the Made in New York room at the Northeast Classic Car Museum. Get ready to take a fun and fascinating journey back in time as we celebrate New York's unique contributions to automotive history. From the innovative workshops of Syracuse to the bustling factories of Buffalo, New York State was once a powerhouse of car manufacturing in the early 20th century. Let's dive into the stories behind these incredible vehicles. 1899 Leggett. Meet the oldest horseless carriage in the museum. With a top speed of 14 miles per hour, this charming piece of history is one of only two ever built in Syracuse. 1904 Pierce Stanhope. This Buffalo beauty is powered by a single-cylinder 8-horsepower engine and a lightweight wooden frame. It's one of just 3 survivors from the company that would evolve into the legendary Pierce Arrow in 1908. 1929 Chevrolet Landau Convertible. Talk about stylish. Built in Buffalo, this sleek ride featured the innovative Stovebolt 6 engine, offering 6 cylinders for the price of 4. Only 300 were made, and this one's a rare survivor. 1931 Pierce Arrow Sedan, a Buffalo masterpiece that radiates elegance and dependability. Its 125 horsepower inline 8-cylinder engine made it a smooth and stable companion for any journey. 1935 Brewster Town Car. Built in Long Island City, this car combined luxury and affordability with its Ford V8 engine. Only 83 of these beauties were made, and they still turn heads. 1936 Pierce Arrow Country Club Roadster. Sleek, stylish, and ultra-exclusive, this roadster features the iconic Archer hood ornament and a 150 horsepower engine. Only 3 of these jaw-droppers exist today. 1947 Playboy Prototype. Post-war America wanted fun and affordability, and the Playboy delivered. This stylish convertible had a rear-mounted engine and even paved the way for the 1949 model with a retractable roof. Only 97 Playboys were ever produced. 1914 Owego Cycle Car. This tiny 2-seater from Owego was built for the everyday person, selling for just $385. Sadly, it couldn't compete with Ford's Model T, but it remains a delightful piece of automotive history. Chenango Camp Trailer. Let's not forget road trips. Built in Norwich, this lightweight trailer was perfect for exploring the open road. It's a reminder that New Yorkers didn't just make cars, they made adventures possible. New York's automotive legacy is filled with creativity, ambition, and innovation. We hope these incredible machines leave you inspired. Don't forget to swing by the gift shop before you leave to pick up a souvenir or a video to remember your visit. Thanks for stopping by, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your time at the Northeast Classic Car Museum.